I still can't believe it. The son of a Lone Star State joining the NWO.
I've said this for years. I said
Who is this? You were robbed. You're my hero. You were robbed. You don't fight again until you get a title shot. I will fight for you. Right now. Start now, Nayard. I'll fight for you. Just go.
Louis Spicoli told. Oh my goodness! He hit him in the back of the head with that microphone, and I think he may have knocked him out.
Scott
Sounded like pyro going off. Wow, no, he's going to get up, but I can't believe he can get up from that.